Houston's with you, Butch. Go ahead.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me.
We can configure that, Butch.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep the mic up next to the speaker.
Copy.
Hai Sobat Rupiah, kami dari luar angkasa berpesan untuk selalu merawat rupiahmu dengan 5J dan jaga rupiahmu dengan 3D. Cinta, bangga, dan paham rupiah.